Hi Capricorn, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for October 2015. Capricornians, it's a very beautiful month. We have some trines, we have Mercury that is going direct, and we also have Venus that is aspecting beautifully. So we begin the month on October 2nd, which sees Sun in Libra, trining Moon in Gemini, and this is aspecting a part of your chart that speaks about work and it speaks about your health. And this is a time wherein that there's going to be a lot of focus on day-to-day chores. You're going to be not just getting more organized, but if there has been a long pending to-do list, you're going to be ensuring that it gets done quickly. This is pretty much, this house is the house of Virgo, so it's all about getting very detail oriented. It's worrying about the little things that haven't got done. You yourself may get more organized, more disciplined, and you will be careful as far as small little details are concerned. And this energy is also the energy that wherein that if we assign ourselves to do something, we ensure that we get into an implementation mode very quickly. And the moon also passing through this house, and because it's a trine, it's aspecting very beautifully. It's a time wherein that you will realize and understand the urgency of paying attention to small things. It could be that a lot of you are busy with a project, you're ensuring that project gets done very well, and you're yourself personally involved in all the minor small details. Trines are normally very favorable. They're considered very fortunate and lucky because the energy always is very harmonious around this time. Now Mercury turns direct on the 10th of October, and this is highlighting a part of your chart that speaks about your career, Capricornians, and this has been getting highlighted since the last couple of months by various other planets who are coming and sort of shedding the light, focusing your work. And you have a lot of support, a planetary support, and Mercury going direct, it can be that you could be having a lot of conversations around your career. It can be that which direction you're going, and you could also be thinking about your goals and how it is that you can go about achieving them. It's also a great time to be making long-term plans as far as your career is concerned. And for those of you who are into content or into communication or even with technology, it's a brilliant time for you. You can have maybe an important discussion with your boss or someone whom you report into, and you'll realize that maybe your portfolio gets increased, or maybe you want something more added onto it. Jupiter is going to be trining Pluto, and this is happening in a part of your chart. Jupiter is trining in your house of understanding, and it's trining with Pluto in your house of self. So it's in this particular house, Jupiter is very happy being in the house of understanding and mind, because he rules this particular house, and it's a time where he's really going to be expanding. So you're going to be opening up your mind to a lot of new opportunities. It's just a time where you're going to be feeling very expansive. There's really no space of any kind of pettiness. In fact, even where work is concerned, maybe it's a time where you should be looking at alternate career paths as well, Capricornians. And it's a time where there will be a lot of opportunities that will get presented to you, and you will be feeling very expansive. You will be feeling very confident, and there's generally going to be a sense of well-being as far as your work is concerned, and you are going to be wanting to experience everything that life has to offer. Even if there are certain legal issues that are there, they'll get done very smoothly for you around this time. In business, however, you could be dealing with people who are from across the shores. It could be from foreign offices that you're dealing with, and these dealings will be quite positive. They'll go out quite well for you. They're quite beneficiary. In this phase of your life, you will be able to look at your career and how it is that you present yourself in a very macro level. You'll be able to sort of step outside yourself and you'll be able to see as to what is it that you have to offer. Pluto aspecting your house of self, your own house, it can make you, with this trine, you could feel a little bit more assertive. You would want to sort of push through your goals, your dreams, your desires, and this is the time wherein that the energy is wherein that you could be really aware of things around you or the situation around you, and you could be quite determined to see it through. You're not just sort of going to be sitting back and let things be. There can also be some amount of heightened sensitivity as well during this, the trine that is there. But overall, trines are they're very, very lucky and they're very fortunate, because normally a trine happens with two similar planets. It can happen with even between two or more planets, and normally there's a great affinity between these two planets. They're very harmonious, so anything that you may set out to do during a trine, it's normally very supportive, and it's very it's very encouraging of what it is that you're getting the task to be done. And also, if you have been struggling to get something done, a project or do something at your work, there will be very less effort that could be required. You will find that you're just able to do things very smoothly. Towards the end of the month, we have Venus that is conjuncting Jupiter on the 25th, and this again is highlighting a part of your chart that speaks about your mind, higher mind and understanding. And this is a time wherein that you are going to be wanting a lot of personal space, and you are also going to be seeking partners that are adventurous, free, full of life, and you are really in a very exploratory, experimental mode, and you would want to go out and meet more people who really have a more deeper sense of understanding about things. So it's really, in a way, it's a learning phase for you as well, Capricornians. Some of you could be making these long trips. Maybe you could be going across, you could be traveling to another country to learn more, to understand more about a subject. It can also be that some of you could just be going back to college and you could be adding another degree or a skill set, and it's just a time that you will be finding a lot of pleasure in expanding your life. So make a good use this month, Capricornians, as far as all the cosmic support is there for you to learn and to travel as well. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, Capricornians. I'll see you again next month, and thank you so much for watching.